Saawwa abbaan gaanfa cabse, ollaan ija jaamsa.
If one breaks his cow's horn, his neighbor will blind it. An Oromo proverb. This wisdom from the Oromo people speaks volumes about the consequences of internal mistreatment. Imagine this. A cow relies on its horns for defense and its eyes for survival. When the owner breaks the cow's horn, they strip away its primary defense. This act invites others to take an even harsher step: blind the cow. If the neighbor blinds the cow, it loses its vision too, leaving it utterly helpless. This proverb isn't just about animals, it's a powerful metaphor for our lives. If we harm our own people, resources, or possessions, we create vulnerabilities. Those weaknesses invite others to exploit us further. Think of a family, community, or nation. When they undermine their own strengths, they open themselves to external threats. It's like breaking our own defenses and then being surprised when others take advantage of our weakened state. Unity, care, and internal protection are crucial. Just as the cow needs its horn and eyes, we need our internal strengths intact. Losing these makes us susceptible to greater harm. So, what's the takeaway? Preserve and protect your own defenses and essential qualities. They're your shield and guide in a world that can be quick to exploit weakness. Remember, true strength starts from within.